Welcome to Rotronics Battery Management Solutions. My name is Ken Clark, and today I'm going to take you through the process of how to use the CPX900 Battery System Analyzer. Connect the tester to the vehicle battery, select the vehicle application, e.g. car or truck, enter the location of test, as in vehicle, enter the battery information as shown on the battery label being tested, and then select start. Record the battery temperature. The battery test begins. On completion of this, then select System Test and follow the on-screen prompts. Once the test has been completed, you can either view the test on screen, end the test, or send the information via email, providing the tester is connected to a wireless network. Maximise fault identification and opportunities within your workshop using a proactive Rotronics battery management program.